Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make meaningful ad campaigns by using Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and once you're in the Google Chrome you have to wait a couple of seconds here. Then you have to simply click on Google Ads. You have to simply type in Google Ads here, then click on enter. After that, here you have to choose the first option from here, the Google Ads, and just click on it. And after that, here it will take you to the login page. Just simply log into your own account by clicking on the sign in option, and then what you need to do is it will simply take you to this page where you will get all the details about your ads. Here you can see that the average CPC, impressions, and other things as well. You can also check the overview and other things. So what you need to do is simply click on the create option from here, and after that you will see this option from here, and from here you have to choose the campaign option from the top navigation bar. And after that, what you need to do is it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply choose the local store websites and promotions. And after that you have to simply scroll down from here. Then here you have to choose the which store locations should you ads promote. You have to choose the your business locations from here, and after that you are simply ready to publish your ad. And then you have to scroll down to the below again, and then in the below you have to just simply click on the publish. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.